Welcome everyone, my name is Marlene, the creator behind Tones Caribbean Body, a project that was started from the onset of COVID-19, where I simply share with you holistic solutions for a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to tie a tie. Now, if you're a mother, this skill will come in handy for your sons, for those of you who have sons. And if not for your sons, then maybe for yourself. You may want to jazz up your outfit when going out on the town, or you just may want to just add just a bit of style to your wardrobe. Now, you may be wondering, what does learning to tie a tie have to do with having a Tones Caribbean body? Remember what our tagline says: we offer holistic solutions for a healthier lifestyle. And I have found tying my son's tie every single morning in preparation for school has helped me to foster a closer relationship with him. You know, sometimes I get a little peck on the cheek or a nice smile while I'm tying his tie. He looks up into my eyes and says, "Mommy, I love you." So it's just one of the ways that I learned to develop that relationship with him. So now that I'm willing to share this skill with you, a skill that I'm willing to share with my son, I hope that, you learn the lesson well and it serves you at some point in your life. Take a look. Now, I learned how to tie a tie more than 20 years ago, and during that time, I've had loads of practice on my son since he was in preschool. To tie a tie on someone else, just simply prepare the shirt for the tie. Raise the shirt collar right up to the neck area. Put the tie wrong side facing down, the larger part of the tie on the right hand side if you're right-handed, and the smaller part on the left hand side. Position the tie properly around the neck and cross the bigger part of the tie over the smaller part, forming an X. Keep both ties in place at the X with your finger, index finger and thumb. Take the bigger portion, wrap it around the smaller part of the tie, then bring it around again to form a loop. Bring the bigger portion up through the neck area, making sure the right side is facing up and the wrong side is facing down. Take the point of the tie, pass it through the loop, then bring it downwards into that front loop, keeping your fingers in place to ensure that the tie does not fall apart. Tighten the tie by pulling on the smaller part of the tie, which is underneath. Then bring the collar down over the tie and tighten in the neck area to give a neat finished look. Thank you, Mathani. Now, to remove the tie, just simply do everything in reverse. Raise the shirt collar and pull on the smaller part of the tie, which will be on your left hand side. Just simply pull it through the loop, holding the loop in place. It should come out very easily, and the rest of the tie will unravel. Good luck. If tying the tie on yourself, simply choose the outfit that you want to jazz up with the tie. Then choose the tie that you want that will complement the outfit. Make sure that the bigger part of the tie is on your right hand side if you're right-handed, and the smaller obviously on the left side. Bring the larger part of the tie over the smaller part, forming an X, loop it around the smaller part, then loop it once again, keeping the loop in place with your fingers. Bring the big portion through your neck area and the point downwards into the loop and through. Tighten the tie by simply pulling on the smaller portion of the tie and adjust based on the look that you're going for. To loosen, just simply pull on the smaller part again to bring the loop further down. Now, if removing the tie, just simply pull on the smaller portion and the bigger portion unravels. Here is a look on our Live at 5 series in 2021. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next Friday.